As a student, one of the most important thing is correcting our posture because with a good posture, you can avoid brain fog and tiredness that comes because of sitting in a bad posture, and that helps us concentrate for longer duration, which helps us learn things better. So here are 5 simple exercises that are helping me a lot to keep a good posture from last 5 years, and this will going to help you a lot. These exercises focus on 3 things. One is neck, second is our back and spine, and the last one is our lumbar region and also our legs. First is neck practices. There are total 4 neck practices. Why neck practices are important? From my experience, I study in library most of the time, and when I sit for 2 3 hours, I will to see that my stiffness in my neck. We sit like this when we're writing something. We looking on a screen maybe a little lower than our eyes, and most of the time we move our neck mostly either downward or forward. We never exercise our neck, and there are no workout for neck. There are yogasanas that is there, but there is no workout. So that's why these 3 to 4 exercises will going to help you exercise your neck. First is moving neck up and down. Starting position is exhaling and taking our neck down, then inhaling slowly and taking our neck back. Then with exhalation slowly we come again to starting point. This is first. Second neck practice is moving our neck right and left. We start from center to go right with inhalation, and then with exhalation we come again to center. Then with inhalation we go to left, then come again to center with exhalation. And third exercise is dropping neck right and left. While dropping our neck right, we exhale. Then while taking back, we inhale slowly. The movement always happens slowly. We go with exhalation to the left, then come back to the center with inhalation. And the last is circular movement. We start with taking our neck down, then we move to back with inhalation. We complete half of the circle, and then while coming back, we complete remaining half of the circle with exhalation. And then we go back in reverse with inhalation, completing half of the circle, and then with exhalation we complete the complete circle. And these are the 4 exercises for neck, and the 5th exercise is for our shoulder movement, because the shoulder is also get stiff. So we go back with inhalation, making a circle. We do it 3 times, and again 3 times, back to forward, making a circle. Now we move to spine and back practices. Why spine and back practices are important? As you know, when we sit with a bad posture like this, a rounded back, the spine get affected, the lungs get affected, and in a short term, it doesn't show, but in long term, you can see the kind of serious problems it can create. So do this exercise. It is called Yoga Namaskar, which helps your back, spine, and lungs as well. Legs are shoulder width apart, parallel, and we meet our soles of our hand, and with inhalation we go backward, and with exhalation making a sound we go backward. And again with inhalation we go up, with exhalation making a sound we come to the starting position. We do it 3 times, then we sit, and again 3 times we go up with inhalation, and with exhalation while making a sound we take our hand to back. Then again inhalation, exhalation, and we take our hand to forward with inhalation, and again backward making a sound, exhalation. Then in the last step, after doing both exercise for 3 times, we bow down and relax until the breath comes to its natural movement. Now the last third exercise is squats for our lumbar region and also our legs. So why exercising our lumbar region is important? As you know, when we sit, the most quietest or less moved part of the body is our lumbar region and our lower back. So it is something which, you know, stayed in that situation for whole period. Our hand moves, our neck also move a little bit, our upper body is also moved, but our lower body and lower back is never moved. So that's why these lumbar squats are important. You have to take your both legs together, touching each other on the same points, the feet, and then do it like this and completely straight. You have to come back like you are coming in a straight line upward and going in a straight line downward. With inhalation you come back, with exhalation you go down, and you have to do it 21 times. Next exercise is also very important. It is for our hands, because if you study in laptop you must have that you have to are typing, so the elbow, this whole thing is also move very little. So this exercise is for our hands to increase the blood flow in our hands and to remove any kind of tension that is there trapped. So here's how you can do that. You take your hands up with inhalation, your legs are shoulder width apart, and you go outward with exhalation, and there is a tension in your hand while going outward. There is a tension in your hand. And while inhalation, when you go coming back, the tension like this, and your hand movement is like this while going out, and while going coming in it's like this. The same thing we have to do in all the 4 directions. We go up with exhalation, we come down slowly with inhalation, and each of these exercises in every direction you have to do it 3 times. All the exercises that I have told you till now, all of them should be done 3 times. That is when you will able to see its benefit. What I've shown you and told you about these exercises are just the preview how these exercises are done, but all you have to do is to learn these exercises with full instruction and the mistakes that you might make in it. So I will link all of those videos in the description. So you have to go through that. You have to learn the exercises properly from the instruction, and you're going to see that you are able to do these exercises a lot better, because I just give you the brief introduction what these exercises are. One thing that I forget to tell you is how to sit with a erect spine naturally. So it's simple. Cross one of your leg, either right leg or left leg. It's very simple. Or you can cross both of your leg. What this will do, it will naturally erect your spine. You can feel it, you can try it right now, and you will see it very clearly. And you can't sit for longer duration when you are crossing your leg, so you can drop one of your leg and keep changing it, and it will keep your spine erect all the time. If you are watching till this point of this video, first of all, thanks for your time, bro, and your attention span is really good. You are not watching this video a minute like most of the people, and you're really serious about correcting your posture. And there are few videos that I'm working on right now. So if you want to watch those videos, you can subscribe and give this video a like, because it took me a lot of time to make this video, and that will help algorithm to boost this video to compete with other all videos that people have made. And this is not something that I think anybody has shared yet. So bye bye for now. I'll meet you in the next one.